Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, June the 5th, 2021. In this additional, we have two puzzles left, the tectonic one and a binary one. The other three puzzles, tectonic with 1 star, letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku, I will do tomorrow on Sunday, because Sunday we have no newspaper. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2902. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, 1 there, 1, double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1s we have, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. Then let me see. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the O here, then we still have 3 1s in a row. 1, 2, 3 row in a row. 3 1s in a row, not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1 box left in this first row for the number 1. We have 4 1s, okay. Then let me see. I think I need to compare. Yeah, compare this one. 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O there, this should be a 1. Alright, between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. All right. Only one time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.